Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the topic groups of the subject mathematics. To understand the concept of groups, you have to understand the concept of a law of composition on a set. In the word law of composition, the meaning of composition is the act of combining parts or elements to form whole. That means you are going to combine the elements. And set, it is a collection of well defined objects is called a set. Let us consider one example, set of natural numbers. Natural numbers are nothing but counting numbers which are well defined objects. It is denoted by a capital letter N, and the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Here, the number 1 is an element of set N. Number 2 is an element of set N. And number 3 is an element of set N, and so on. Hence, a law of composition on a set S is any rule for combining pairs A, B of elements of S to get another element, say P of S. That means, suppose we are having the set S having elements A, B, P and some other elements. Let us take any two arbitrary elements, say A and B. We apply a rule on A and B and we get element P, which is again an element of S. Now, addition is an example of law of composition on the set of real numbers. This is the presentation of real numbers on a real line. We take any two elements. Suppose we are taking 0 and 1. We apply a rule. 0 plus 1. Addition is the rule here. We get 1. We take elements 1 and 1. We apply a rule. Addition. So 1 plus 1 is a 2, which is again a real number. 0 we take. So 0 plus 0 is a 0, again a real number. Here same numbers can be taken or different numbers can be taken. Multiplication is the law of composition on the set of real numbers. From the real numbers, suppose we take two elements 0 and 1. We apply a rule, that is the law of composition, that is multiplication. So 0 into 1 is 0, is again a real number. Matrix multiplication is an example of law of composition on the set of n cross n matrices. Let us take n is equal to 2. Then first matrix is A11, A12, A21, A22. Now here A12, here this 1 means first row, 2 means second column. Here this first one is first row, first column. This is second row, first column. This is second row, second column. Now another second matrix we are having is B11, B12, B21, B22. Now here we will get this element from first row of first matrix and first column of second matrix. So this A11 into B11, we get A11 into B11. Now A12 into B21, we get A12 into B21. Now the next element A11 B12 plus A12 B22 is obtained from first row of first matrix and second column of second matrix. So we get A11 into B12 plus A12 into B22. Now the next element, this A21 B11 plus A22 B21 is obtained from second row of first matrix and first column of second matrix. So A21 into B11 plus A22 into B21. And the next element A21 B12 plus A22 B22 is obtained from second row of first matrix and second column of second matrix. So we are having A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22. Now we will consider a particular example for matrix multiplication as the law of composition on the set of n cross n matrices. Here we are going to take n is equal to 2. So we are having 2 by 2, two matrices. First is 1, minus 1, 2, 0. Second is minus 2, minus 3, 3 and 4. Now we will take first row of the first matrix and first column of the second matrix. So we obtain 1 into minus 2 plus minus 1 into 3. Next element we obtain from first row of the first matrix and second column of the second matrix. So we get 1 into minus 3 plus minus 1 into 4. Next element is obtained from second row of the first matrix and first column of the second matrix. So we get 2 into minus 2 plus 0 into 3. Next element is obtained from second row of the first matrix and second column of the second matrix. So we get 2 into minus 3 plus 0 into 4. Now we will simplify this matrix again. So we get 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, minus 1 into 4 is minus 4, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, 0 into 3 is 0, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, 0 into 4 is 0. Again we will simplify this matrix. So we get 2 in minus 2. Minus 2 plus minus 3 is minus 5. Minus 3 plus minus 4 is minus 7. Minus 4 plus 0 is minus 4. Minus 6 plus 0 is minus 6. So this is the 2 by 2 matrix. Now we will summarize. A law of composition on a set S is any rule for combining pairs A, B of elements of S to get another element, say P of S. Suppose we are having set S having elements A, B, P and some other elements. We will take element A and element B, this pair of elements. We will apply a rule on it. We get an element P, which is again an element of S. That means from the set S, you are going to take any two elements. You are going to apply a rule. The third element you are getting, that should also again belonging to the set S. For more details about topic groups, you can read a book, Algebra by Michael Arty. Thank you. Now you subscribe my channel, like and share.